Hello students, welcome to NCERT series of MCQs. Now let's start Polity chapter 1, 6th class 1. So first question, inequality arises when? Option A person have opportunities that are available to others. Option B, a person doesn't have opportunities and resources that are available to other persons. The correct answer is option B. Okay, now next, second question. Caste system is an example of option A inequality, option B equality. The correct answer is option A inequality. Now third question, diversity means option A country having different languages, various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, or option B a country having one language, one festival and one religion. The correct answer is option A. Now, fourth question. Ladakh region is famous for option A Pashmina wool, option B water management. The correct answer is option A Pashmina wool. Fifth question. Ibn Battuta wrote a travelogue where he described the lives of option A Hindus, option B Muslims. The correct answer is option B Muslims. Now, sixth question. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in option A Gujarat, option B Amritsar. The correct answer is option B Amritsar. Now, seventh question. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote option A The Discovery of India, option B Wings of Fire. The correct answer is option A The Discovery of India. Wings of Fire was written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Eighth question. National anthem was composed by option A Subindranath Tagore, option B Pingali Venkayya, option C Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer is option C Rabindranath Tagore. Now ninth question. Who coined the phrase unity in diversity? Option A Gandhiji, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Bhagat Singh. The correct answer is option B Jawaharlal Nehru in his book The Discovery of India. Now 10th question. On which source do the people of Ladakh depend for drinking water? Option A rivers, option B sea, option C melting of snow and option D none. The correct answer is option C melting of snow. Okay, thank you friends, and in this video I have just framed the questions based on examination point of view, and even class 6 NCERT first lesson of polity was also explained. To watch that video. Thank you for watching.